The cooking class provides you with the opportunity to learn from Chef Angela how to cook like an Italian. Spend 3 hours learning how to make Italian specialties, including ravioli with spinach and ricotta, gnocchi with 4 cheeses, and tiramisu. Under the watchful eye and careful guidance of Angela, as well as myself, or an English-speaking translator, you will have a wonderful time developing new culinary skills and learning the secrets that go into each delicious bite. There will be local wine, soft drinks, and a glass of Prosecco offered throughout the class. After cooking, sit down with Angela and friends to enjoy what you have prepared and learn about the stories behind the food. Lunch will be enjoyed with a D.O.C.G. Vermentino wine. Substitutions for food allergies and restrictions can be made upon request. Book now to take part in this delicious and exciting culinary event and find your inner Italian.